Up to 40 square miles of Louisiana coastline disappear every year. That motivated high school students to volunteer to get dirty in Galilino at the Natural Resource Conservation Service Golden Meadow Plant Material Center. Sumner High School FFA students of Tangipahoa Parish cleaned up planter boxes and swept up planting areas destined for the clump grass at the NRCS Plant Material Center. The goal here is to propagate coastal grasses, which can then be replanted to preserve the Louisiana coastline. Student volunteers also planted bitter panicum seedlings, which will be distributed for replanting in coastal areas this coming fall. NRCS Earth Team Volunteer Coordinator Erin Hayden says she loves working with kids to preserve Louisiana's coastline.
I am thrilled. There's nothing better than seeing them do this. They look forward to it. They ask, can we do it over and over? We go on a planting project, when are we going back? So they literally like it, and that makes me feel good.
NRCS Golden Meadow Plant Materials Center Assistant Manager Kurt Richey encourages you to get involved. He says the Plant Materials Center is always looking for volunteers. If you would like to volunteer or if you want to find out more information about this public resource, log on to our website at twilatv.org. Still to come on This Week in Louisiana Agriculture, it's Lent, so demand for crawfish is high. We'll tell you if the price is high as well. And in my Ag Minute, I'll tell you all the great things about pollen and the insects that spread it. You know, to make up for bashing pollen in my story earlier, just trying to stay fair and balanced. Well, stay with us.